Jump!
What's that? Dino time. What is it?
It's a pipe cleaner.
Take 2 of them.
Then just fold them in half.
Then twist them all together.
Them all together.
Now get some paper.
And fold it, fold it.
Make a square.
Then wrap it and tape it.
Now what?
2 more pipe cleaners. Wrap them around.
Wrap around, wrap around, wrap around, wrap around, wrap around, wrap around.
Take a pipe cleaner and zigzag.
Like a W.
Then just twist it just a little.
Then do it one more time.
Now wrap your W around the body. You have legs.
Next, let's add a chain.
We made a dinosaur.
Good work.
I love dinos. See you next time.